What is up, Carol here with Team Isle. What I want to show you today are some of the best WooCommerce themes available. And the best part, we are only looking at free themes. Yeah, let's get it started. As I mentioned, all of them are free, or at least freemium, which means that you can use the basic version of the theme. You can even start a working WooCommerce store using the theme, and then if you want to, if you need to, you can upgrade to a paid version, but not required. You can totally use the free versions of all of those themes and run functional e-commerce stores with them. And just a quick message before we get started with the list. The first theme that I want to show you is our own creation. I'm talking about Neve. Neve is one of the most popular WordPress themes in the directory. It has been downloaded more than 5 million times. It's used on thousands of websites, and that includes e-commerce stores as well. It does come with interesting shop layouts, extra header components, extra features such as sticky add to cart, custom cart layouts, image effects, featured videos, specific checkout styles, and the most seamless add to cart feature we could come up with. Yeah, and did I mention that it also has tons of starter designs that you can pick and just import with a couple of clicks. All of that you're gonna find in Neve. Check it out. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And yeah, with that, let's just move on to the list. So first on the list, we have Ocean WP. Ocean WP is a very popular theme, not just for WooCommerce, but for all types of WordPress websites actually. It has really an abundance of features that come just out of the box with easy installation. There are customization and style options, and they are created in a way that you don't need to be a pro to use them and to build your e-commerce store with them. And it has more than 100 WooCommerce templates, meaning website designs that are optimized for e-commerce stores specifically. And to be honest, you might need the pro upgrade to use all of them, but what's available for free is also great enough. Great enough? Is that an expression? Whatever. I'm sure you're still gonna find lots of great features inside. For example, there are specific shop and product archive styles, even custom shop and archive loop builders, all of which directly available through the customizer. This means that you can build custom product listings based on whatever you might have in your product catalog. Next up, we have Astra. Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes out there. Overall, it's been used by nearly 2 million users. The theme loads super fast. It has kind of a modular structure, meaning that you can install additional elements if you need them and when you need them. It's also optimized for SEO, and when it comes to WooCommerce and e-commerce, it also has a lot to offer. First off, there's a really nice shop cart design, meaning you can drag and drop various elements to personalize your shop pages. Basically, you can customize things such as the category, the titles, ratings, price, add to cart button, descriptions, and nearly everything else. Then you can match product displays to your brand. Choose between grid layouts and list views, just to create a more appealing shopping experience. And then it also has features such as Quick View. So Quick View is a great way to allow your customers to see product details and more products without spending additional clicks, let's say. Of course, there are also filters, sidebar layouts, and lots more. Astra is specifically known for their large library of starter designs. Right now, there are more than 300 of them. Of course, not all of them are for e-commerce, are optimized for e-commerce, but either way, I am sure you're gonna find something great and optimized for your niche, for your brand in their catalog. Next one up, we have Blocksy. So Blocksy is a really cool theme. It's a multi-purpose theme, meaning it's not just for WooCommerce, e-commerce, it's for all types of websites. But when it comes to the e-commerce component, it actually does a lot of things great. So first off, there are lots of performance features and optimizations, just to make sure that your store is gonna load quickly, and when it loads, your customers are gonna be able to use and interact with some really nice and thought through designs. So there are tons of starter sites you can choose from, many of them for WooCommerce, for e-commerce, not all of them free, but there are a couple of those that you are gonna be able to use. In my point of view, Blocksy has some of the nicest looking designs out there, out of all the themes on the market. But okay, let's talk e-commerce features. So what you're gonna find are things like product wish lists, quick view options, even advanced reviews, size guides, comparison modules if you want to show a couple of products side by side, scarcity features, just to convince your customers to buy maybe a bit quicker, waitlist, plus some other more advanced features in the pro version. Then next up we have the Wonder theme. So what I like about it is that it's clean, modern, and also really nice looking for all types of niches, for all types of products you might want to sell. And by default, default. It kind of was built with WooCommerce in mind, meaning everything you see is really optimized to work correctly with WooCommerce and to also load quickly. So you can build entire pages using blocks, using ready-made components to basically create the page that you want that is still compatible with the overall design. So yeah, you might be wondering, it does have the full site editing integration, meaning you can move all the blocks around without knowing any code, without dealing with any complicated interfaces. It's just drag and drop for the most part. So there are several page templates, block patterns and custom blocks available. You basically just have to pick the ones you like and then stack them on top of each other when building your store pages. Then there's Botiga. So this one is an e-commerce theme from top to bottom, meaning it was created to be an e-commerce theme. It has a very optimized design for the shop page, for the individual products as well. It integrates with the classic WordPress customizer very well. What I mean here is that it makes all the features easily available. You don't have to look for things in different places. It's all there in the customizer, plus you can modify basically every element that you see on the page. For example, there is a header and footer builder, product galleries, cart and checkout styles, and product quick view and mini cart, which is going to help you generate more conversions. There are also multiple starter sites for various e-commerce niches, products, brands, basically for different types of e-commerce stores. And next one up, we have Cadence. Cadence is a true multi-purpose theme. It can offer you a lot. It also has a great community of builders, of developers, of users, with lots of extensions available, lots of additional features. So no wonder that it's used quite widely as a WooCommerce theme as well. It can do this job pretty great. It has some built-in features like dynamic cart right in the header. There's Cadence blocks and Cadence shop kit to help you customize your store for your audience. And of course, there are great starter designs that you can choose from, import into your website with just a couple of clicks, and then customize to your liking. That being said, there are some others quite advanced WooCommerce features available too, but only in the paid version. So, just if you're interested, you can upgrade to get them if you are in the right scenario to do that. And what you're gonna get are stuff like custom product templates, advanced product reviews, variation swatches, even custom gallery layouts, product galleries, the ability to use videos in your product galleries, and lots more. And last on the list, we have Storefront. Yeah, the native default WooCommerce theme. The very first of its kind, actually. So yeah, granted, this is a very simple theme. There's not a lot going on, but it does come with the right structure, minimal design, and all the room available to put your own page elements on top. The layout, the design is responsive. It has a flexible and nestable grid system. Really great SEO performance just because the code is pretty simple. And it still is, even this year, it still is a great choice if you want to be sure that your theme is gonna be 100% compatible with WooCommerce and that there aren't going to be any technical issues. So building on top of this theme is a really viable idea. If you're the kind of user who wants to do that, then you're going to be really happy with Storefront. And there are lots of child themes available for this theme, meaning that you can get some upgraded design and maybe more specific design, a design that's going to be more fitting to your niche, to your business. So just go ahead, check out what's available. There are links to some of those themes from the official website of Storefront. And yeah, that is it. Those are the best free WooCommerce themes on the market. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out Neve, our own theme. Don't forget to like, subscribe. There's a lot more coming up, and see you next time.